How to report a scam or spam text message on iPhone. First, long press the text message and tap More. Click on the arrow button in the lower right-hand corner, which will bring up a new message. Type 7726 in the To field, then send the message. In the meantime, copy the full phone number that originally sent you the text message. Once you receive a reply back, reply to your carrier with the phone number that you just copied. Within a few seconds, your carrier will reply, confirming that they've received the message. You can also go to Lookify.io and type in the phone number in the search bar. On the results page, you'll see lots of information related to the phone number, including the name, carrier, number type, and how threatening the number is, based on other reports. You can also leave a report of your own. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Report This Number section. Select how this number contacted you, and then choose the call type. You can also leave a comment for other users. Submit your report so that other users can know more about this phone number as well.